How to enable two-factor authentication in GitHub. So your first step, once you've signed into your GitHub, just click on your profile icon at the top right corner here, go into settings, click on settings. Once you've clicked on the settings menu, head into password and authentication. So click on password and authentication here. And then where we have sign-in options, you can go ahead and add or enable two-factor authentication by clicking on enable. So click on this option here, and then you simply have to set up an authenticator app by scanning the QR code and then completing the verifications that follow. And then once you're done, you would have your two-factor authentication set up. Now, there is an alternative to this. Instead of using an authenticator app, you could use an alternate option, which is an SMS authentication. So where you get one-time codes that are sent to your phone via SMS. So you could go with any of these options instead. With the SMS option, you have to enter your mobile number. Make sure it's always active and on your person so you can always receive those codes. But if you're going with the Authenticator app, you're going to have to get your QR codes, or you're going to have to get your codes from the Authenticator app. All right, guys, and that's how you can set up two-factor authentication on your GitHub account.